What we have here is Batman appliance repair. Batman, what appliance are you working on today? Are you fixing it? Hi, this is the Appliance EMT. How can I help you? Hello? It's like the 10th or 11th sales call today. And it's only 11:30.
And then we'll go to your class, okay?
What tools are you using? What tools did you pick out to put on your cart? Can you tell me what this one's called?
A screwdriver.
What kind?
A tall one.
It's a Phillips head. What's this kind? See, it's flat on the end? What? That's a flathead screwdriver. What's this called? That's a nut driver.
And what's this one called?
That's a bent screwdriver. 90 degree. Do you like to fix things?
Mm-hmm.
Who else fixes things here?
You.
You? Is that me?
Mm-hmm.
What do I fix?
Washers.
And what else? Dryers?
Dryers.
What about refrigerators?
Yeah.
Dishwashers? Yeah? Trash compactors? Hi, this is the Appliance EMT. How can I help you? How can I help you? It is. You guys are the 12th sales call I've gotten today. Hello, he says. Hello. And to you I say hello. What are you looking for? Oh, if I put something on your case or on your tray that shouldn't be there. What, you're gonna take my squeegee apart, you silly? No, I don't take that apart. Find something else to fix. That one's ready to go. Don't take that one apart yet either. She climb in there. That can be your bat cave. That's a little Phillips head. Try this one. That's the wrong kind of head. This one or this one? You gonna reverse the door on it? Try harder. Get it? Wow, it's almost out. You know, if you take both those screws out, the door's going to fall off. Don't take that one out too, because then the door will fall off.
It's okay.
It'll break the door. Say bye-bye. Huh?